Hi, hello everyone. Good evening. So I'm starting the webinar. Okay, just I will share my screen. See what is a SketchUp. It is I think, uh, it is a 3D software where we can uh, visualize our thoughts, and we can keep our ideas in original form, like in a 3D form. Okay. It is commonly used for buildings, landscapes, whatever the objects you go with, like furniture, anything you visualize your thoughts, and you can, what we will say, we can develop our thoughts into 3D model in SketchUp. Okay. It is owned by Trimble. Before it is owned by Google, now it's owned by Trimble. Okay. And these are all like how we open, when we open, how to open the SketchUp, and what are the entities will be there, what are the tools will be there, we have to use the tools, what we have to use the tools, all these things. Okay, these are the things. I will again open my SketchUp after showing these PPT. I will open my SketchUp and I will show you how to use these tools. Okay. And also one thing, we need to first start ourselves, and we have to start drawing. Then you get to know how to use the tools and how to draw, and then then everyone raise some sort of doubts regarding the uh, SketchUp software. While you are working only, you will get the doubts. Otherwise, you won't get the doubts. You are like fully satisfied. You know everything. All the things will be, you will get it. But when you start the SketchUp, the doubts will rise. Okay. This is the template, actual template. When you open, it will ask these things like architectural, inches, what are your comfortable things, how to draw, like you are comfortable with meters, you open meters template, or you are comfortable with inches. Okay, these are the simple things. This is a large tool set. These are the main tools we have to use these main tools. Okay. And in these tools, the main we use frequently is this indication one, paint one, erase, rectangle, this marker, like we call as pencil or anything marker. We have to draw. And the tape. This is the tape. These are the essential and main tools we use in SketchUp, and basic tools. Okay. And V-Ray. Actually, V-Ray is a plugin. It is a separate thing we have to install in our SketchUp. Okay. V-Ray is a rendering software. Okay. Here in rendering, the main factors that affect our final output is lighting, what we give inside or exterior, anything you take. The lighting is important, and the materials we choose for our furniture or walls, all these things are important. And mapping, which means scale, the scaling of the tiles, or you take anything, because in actual we will give 2 feet tiles. Okay, if you give the 2 feet tiles, like so many tiles with connected out of scale, means it will not correct. Okay, and also other effects is color, shadow, means these lighting and materials mapping, these affect the color, shadow of the image, reflection and refraction of the object. Okay, the lighting will affect these things of the building or a interior. If lighting is correct, our output will be uh, output will be very great, because the image, the if it is too dark, we can't see the image, right? Likewise, the color, shadows, all these things, it will add our image in a realistic way. Okay, see, when we install the plugin, these things will be added in our software. These are the main main tools we have to use for the V-Ray. In these things, see, in here the image, we can see these 4 are the main things. This is lighting, this is all related to lighting, this rectangle lighting, dome, spotlight, likewise all these things, lightings. And here these are the assets, like when you click this asset, this page will be open, asset page. You can see the materials, material images, and the added, if you choose a brick here, we can see the material, added materials, and the material image, and these are the settings for the image. Now, while saying these things, you will get confused. Okay, these are the very simple tools, which means we have to just add the material to our images. That's it. And to look, if we not just adding is important, and the material, like reflection of that, refraction, here these are also important. We have to change these numbers, small things. If we don't change also, it will be not that important, but these are the material settings for our interiors. Okay, and then you all know that Lumion, it is a V-Ray and Lumion. Lumion is also a 3D software, but it is a inbuilt for SketchUp. It is a separate software. Lumion is a separate software and separate program. We have to like a different software. But V-Ray is a plugin which is inside the SketchUp itself. Okay. The main difference is, but while using the Lumion, it is very great and it is very simple to use, all these things. But the main backdrop is we need a powerful and heavy computer with a very high-end graphic card. Otherwise, it won't work. The system will be crashed easily. Okay, but in SketchUp itself, in SketchUp, V-Ray now present latest versions have changed. The chaos has been taken caring of the V-Ray. So there are so many like simple interiors can be downloaded, furniture, all these things, realistic furniture. These are all uh, downloading available from the Chaos V-Ray. It is Chaos V-Ray means for the latest one I am speaking, not for the 2017 or 2018. These are all like oldest V-Rays. Okay, from 2020 the Chaos has been taken, I think. Then from that chaos things, means chaos cosmos. It is a realistic one. I will show in the SketchUp software thing when I open my the software thing. Okay, the main while comparing with Lumion and V-Ray, I'm just giving some gist of both of this. Okay, finally, normal computer, if you have any normal, just like a i5 system, all these things we have to go with V-Ray. Okay, you have any i7 processors or high-end computers, high-end graphic card, you have very high-end graphic card, all these things, go with Lumion. Lumion is very better. Okay, but the main drawback of the V-Ray is the animation, means walkthrough. To create walkthrough in V-Ray, it takes lots of days to complete for the normal system. Okay, it is very dead slow. You keep only 4 shots, like 4 screens. It takes 3 to 4 days to complete the total animation thing of output. It is the main drawback, but renders, you will get some, it will take for high resolution thing, high end, it will take some time. But animation, it will take so long. But when it is the main drawback of V-Ray. Okay, while coming to the Lumion, it is very easy, and video generation is also very easy. Okay, now I am only taking with V-Ray, but I am just comparing with Lumion itself. That's it. But if I teach SketchUp, if batch is ready, then I am taking only class of V-Ray. That's it. Not for Lumion, because my system is also not taking the load of Lumion. Okay, but there are so many things for Lumion, while like 3D things, like we go with the twin motion, all the things, these are also alternate for the Lumion things. Okay, but Lumion is very better when compared to all the 3D things. But now V-Ray is also changing the products, models, what we call. These things are very realistic now in latest versions of SketchUp. They are very good for doing the interiors also. Only bad thing is the animation thing. That's it. If you have any system, laptop, it will take time, but system with high-end like i7 processor of CPU, it will take, I think, some fast, I think so. And what are the benefits? It is very easy to learn. SketchUp is very easy to learn when compared to other 3D softwares like 3ds Max. It will take lots of time to complete the to understand the software itself. It will take lots of time in 3ds Max, but in SketchUp you can easily learn it. Just giving a time of 1 hour, you can understand everything of the SketchUp and tools what we have to use in that. All these things you can understand easily. Here you can affordable these things, and because we always go with a what we call cracked versions, so it's not important, but and it is a versatile software, and these software have very powerful tools, and you will get very like smooth processing things in the software also. These tools are so very smooth. But here one thing is, if you download heavy files from the net, it will take very lot of time, and the bugs will attack your SketchUp. If not, you are doing with the raw, just from the scratch, you are drawing the thing. It is very, the software will be very light. It won't get any bugs. But when you download different things from the web warehouse or all the things, it will get bugs easily. And integration with another softwares, which like Rhino, from Rhino, AutoCAD, Revit, all these drawings can be imported in the drawings, 2D drawings, from these softwares like Rhino and what we call AutoCAD, Revit. You can download it. It means import the drawings, 2D drawings into the software. And here the SketchUp layout. If we install the SketchUp software, two different shortcuts also will be added to our the SketchUp software. One is SketchUp, one is SketchUp layout, and another one is style builder. Okay, SketchUp layout is for only 2D drawings. If we draw 3D thing in the SketchUp, just import it into the layout, you will get the like in you can see in Revit, right? All the things can be done in the Revit. If we draw 3D, you can get 2D plans, like sections, elevations, all these things. Likewise, here in layout, you can get the 2D drawings of the 3D model in SketchUp. It has a large 3D warehouse. Okay, you can get any kind of things in this warehouse. Warehouse is like models, products. If you want a chair, go in, just type in the Google like SketchUp warehouse. Just go into that, type what you like chair, furniture, anything, lightings, fans, any product related to the building, you can get in the warehouse. Just download it and take that product and copy into your SketchUp thing. That's it. You can get. If you are, this is only for just elevations, all these things. If you are planning for your own design, then you like creating your own bed, creating your own reception table, own sofa. It will take like, you are creating your own, you have to create from the scratch in the SketchUp. You can draw it. Otherwise, you can download it from the SketchUp warehouse. Okay. Capability of AR means realistic, visual realistic, and means not one second. Virtual reality, it is it is very nearer to the real world. Okay, when it is real world, if you add lighting, best lighting, all the things, it will create the original realistic feel. Okay, the shadow should be there, all the things needed in the things. Okay, it is very customizable. And energy analysis, you can do very good energy analysis. I'm a sustainable architect. I have done my thesis in the SketchUp itself, because you can get very good shadows of the building, like a time lapse of the building. You can get how shadow is falling in the whole site, you can get. And From that data, you can get the sustainable energy efficient thoughts with that thing. Okay, uh, not not in detail analysis is there. It is the path for the our next further analysis. Okay, it will show the shadows, all the things, lighting things, and if you add some plugins into our SketchUp, there are so many plugins are also there. But if you add so many plugins, the SketchUp will be heavy. Just add the plugin when your work is completed. Just delete it. Means uninstall the plugin. And if you need do like that, the system will be also cool, slow, and don't install heavy plugins. Okay, just try to do on your own. It will be very safe for your systems, I am saying. But plugins will make your work very easy. Okay, there are so many plugins are also there, and I will open my SketchUp. Okay, I will stop share and I open software. Okay.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Huh?
Your screen not visible.
Yeah, I have ended the screen. Okay, 1 second. You can see it, right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
This,
Yes, ma'am.
see, this is the template and this is the icon, SketchUp icon. It is like this. SketchUp thing. And if you open it, it will ask simple architectural, all these things. Or if you want to open any file from your system, you can also open file from your system. Okay, these are all the things. It is I'm opening. We always use simple inches, like simple meters.
Ma'am, you are not audible and screen also not visible.
Now it is. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. When you open the SketchUp, you will get like this. As I told, this is the large tool set. At starting, it won't be there. Like it is a plain thing you will get. What we have to do is for large tool set, we have to go to the click here. Just right click on this thing, large tool set. You will get the large tool set. Okay, here all the tools will be available. And these are V-Ray things. When we install V-Ray, these things will be added into our SketchUp. It is a separate thing. If you are using 2020 software, SketchUp software, we need to install 2020 V-Ray. Whatever year you are using for your SketchUp, same V-Ray should be downloaded and installed separately. Then these four things, if you add, if the V-Ray plugin cracked version has been added successfully, then these four things will be added into our SketchUp direct automatically. Okay. Okay, now I will show. You can also import AutoCAD files. Like go into the import and you can download whichever 2D drawing is there. You can click on it and just import it. This drawing will be added into the screen. Okay, I'm not showing now. Okay, and see here is, these are the axis lines, origin lines. For just our understanding, blue line is these things, green line and red line. See, red line, it shows your line is straight. When the red line is there, it is straight. And green, if when we are drawing, if the line shows the green, it is straight line. Okay. When we draw, it is a closed surface. Okay. If we move in a random place, the cursor will be slow, and when we may place our cursor in this broad surface, then the cursor will be very fast, move very fast actually. Okay, these are all the things, and this is offset. Like this is eraser, you can erase things, and this is a paint box, and this is a default tray. We can edit the materials here. When we choose any material, we can edit the materials here in this thing. Okay, all these things. And this is, it is a rectangle, square or a rectangle, whatever you need, circles. And one main thing is, here circle is like a not perfect circle. It will show as a lined circle, not a clear circle. Okay, all these things like arcs, all the things, 2-point, 1-point, 3-point arcs, all the things. This is a move tool. If we select all these things, just select the move tool, it is moved. Okay, just if you want to go up, just place this screen, follow the blue line, referral line, all these things. This is rotation, you can rotate it anywhere. Okay, and this is the offset, means for walls we need offsets, right? Like I'm giving 6, like this is, we can pull these things up for the 3D one. For our height, we can give height. Here it will show the measurements. What are the measurements for in the right corner? It will show the measurements actually. Okay, and this is the dimensions things. We can give dimensions here. How much dimension is there? All these things. This is tape. We can like a reference lines from reference lines, and we can draw like this. Just for the reference itself. Tape is like it's used as a reference. Okay, all these things are not that much needed. Remaining ones are not that much needed. This pan is like when we okay, not that important. Remaining one all are. And I told you that asset. When you click on this circular thing, V-ray, when come to the V-ray, when you click this circle, the materials will be opened. Okay, wait, it will take time. And this is the thing. Okay, someone asked reference lines. It is not, it is like, see here, I need to give a door. Okay, just take a tape, just give some random, like I am leaving the space from 1 feet 6 inch, and then I'm adding a door. Okay, uh, 3 feet door. Okay, height of mm, see, like a reference, just as a reference itself. That's it. Okay, then you can give it like the door. It is like a just a uh, reference lines. That's it for our convenient. If something is missed in our drawing 3D one, we can add the things by using this reference as a reference. Okay, that's it. And then I'm talking about this materials. See, there are bricks, carpets. When you choose this thing here, you need to right click it, add scene. Then this material will come into this thing. We can see the thing here. If it is the final thing, we can add like this itself. Like same material we can apply to our objects, or if we want to edit any reflection of this paint or some else, if of the material we have to, you are not satisfied with the reflection or refraction or the glossiness of this material, we can edit here. 99% we can get the best results of the material. Remaining 1%, our wish, if we have to change the glossiness or anything of edit of the material, we can edit here. All these things are also like materials that itself, like liquids, metals, paper, stone, tiles, various wood. All these things are these things. And see, we can see the render option here, or we can render we can click the render button here itself, or otherwise we can go with the template from the upper thing. I'm marking right from this. Then you click, it will show the render, and when you click, we can directly click here from itself. Okay, these are the thing. And one other thing is Cosmos thing. If you have any doubts, I will show it. If you have any doubts, ask me. I will clarify. Okay. See, this is the 1 second. This is the Cosmos thing. I spoke about you, right? It shows realistic things, all these things. In this Cosmos, one drawback is it's only for the residential purpose itself. Okay. Like any room for the residential thing, we can get in the Cosmos. These are all very realistic ones. Okay. These things are available only for the latest versions after 2020. From 2020 SketchUp, 2020 V-Ray, these things are available. Okay, these are very realistic ones. Furniture, office furniture, outdoor furniture. You can get anything from these things. Okay. You cannot go with the, if you are doing any residential projects, we can skip from the 3D warehouse. These are very realistic ones from when compared to that warehouse. Okay. This is the final one. If you have any doubt, now you can ask. Like I haven't come, like I'm not going in detail because this is not a class. In class, I will take in-depth classes. But now I'm showing only the important things. Okay.